I've waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is KISSIMMEE and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. I first want to start off by saying Happy New Year. This is the very first hair video of the year. We did do a get ready with me for the weekend vlog for the new year, but this is more in depth, in tune, up close, up personal. I'm going to talk through a lot of things and yeah, let's get right into it. If you were wondering, why do you have baking soda and apple cider vinegar? Yes, I'm using the Great Value brand, and I don't care. It's going to do what it needs to do. We will be detoxing my locks to start off the new year. So we're going to start on a clean slate for 2023. We're going to detox, get all of the buildup and any extra gunk that the washes didn't really get rid of. I am not one to wash my hair every month. That's just me, never have been. But yeah, so it is almost 3 years since I've locked my locks. March will be the 3-year mark. We will get into that when that comes up, but let's get right into it. All right, so in addition to the products that we have here to detox, we also have an inflatable tub, and like I said, I have used it before, so it needs to be washed out once it's inflated, because I should have washed it out before I deflated it way back when. But on a sad note, I'm gonna have to use my mouth to blow it up because I can't find any pump. So let's get into that. One thing I forgot to mention to you all is that I will also be adding some lemon juice that also helps aid with the detox.
Hair's getting baptized.
It's not coming forward, right?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I can feel it. Yeah.
You say where? Around the edge?
Round the beat right here, and then lift the hair a little bit too, if so you get the underneath it, or spread it apart. Why are you just doing it with your hands?
Well, I'm not doing the waist and a whole bunch of it. Science with the pools.
Slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still.
Ooh, sizzly. Feel like a bath ball. Rico just placed the baking soda at my roots and is now pouring the apple cider vinegar and lemon juice mix on my roots so they are not forgotten in this detox. I will be soaking in the detox mixture for about 30 minutes. I've sped the video up to 20 times so you guys can see the process of how the water changes color over the 30-minute time period.
words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You
Say what?
There's still some more baking soda in there, yeah.
I was trying to make sure it's not like build up and it's just.
We got London on the track.
I'm dealing with you. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back.
Y'all, this felt amazing. Rinsing it out and then going into the shampoo, it definitely made your girl scalp feel really good. As you can see from the way the first wash has lathered, my hair is definitely clean from that detox.
Pretty little skinny little bitty body model as some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. Yeah, bitch, back on my bully, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah, act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, quarters too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up, watch me go up, leave you so stuck.
2 times the charm for the second wash, and I made sure that I went down the length of my locks to ensure that they are getting rinsed and cleaned the way that they need to after this detox. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. All of the vinegar, baking soda, and lemon mixture has been washed and rinsed out. I did not have as much buildup as I thought I would, but I guess that makes sense because I really don't use heavy products on my hair. I rarely use extras, and I don't use heavy gels. If I use a gel, it's aloe vera gel. If you have not seen my retwist with aloe vera gel only, I would have that I have that pinned at the top. But stay tuned for what I have for this year, what I have planned for this year for my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. click the bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos I have coming out for you guys. And be on the lookout for the first weekly vlog of the year. So, peace, y'all.